Teething Biscuit's hysterical.
Oh man.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, nice work.
Yeah. I don't know how anyone would think this is as funny as we do.
We don't get out often enough at all, do we?